I absolutely am in love with this sign. It says, whisper words of wisdom, let it be. I picked a couple colors out of the sign. So I'm going to use this cream. So it's like an ivory. And I'm going to use a rose gold for a 2 color. And I've already started it. So you can just pick out, if you have a really pretty sign and you don't want to use ribbons and all that stuff, just pick out 2 colors from your sign and use the 2 color pattern. Now this is a 10-inch sign, so I'm definitely not going to have to use row 5. So I'm going to just do, I already did row 2, which is the exact same pattern. So I am working on row 3. So I got P for pink and C for cream. And let's see what it looks like. And we'll put that 10-inch sign on to see. And it's literally, again, just the Bubba petal. Patterns are on our YouTube channel, but they're also in Unique Wreath Creators, and I believe I posted them on our main Facebook page. There are links. You have to click if you want a printable pattern, you do have to click the link. And that will take you over to the PDF, which you can print on your printer, just like I did. Okay, so I'm still using this same pattern. I'm just using rose gold and ivory. Just 2 colors that were in my sign, and I just picked out. And again, use whatever mesh you want. For the Bubba petal, any mesh works. This is just a foil deco mesh, normal foil deco mesh, and it works just fine. All right, and then I have row 4. And then I'll be done because we have this big 10-inch sign. So the flower wreaths are really pretty if you really want your sign to be the star of the show and not all kinds of busy ribbons and stuff around it. The a flower wreath is perfect for that reason. Because once the mesh, this really pretty mesh is just going to accent the sign and make the sign pop a little more. So pretty. Those colors are so soft. Perfect for this sign that I'm going to put on. And the nice thing about these, they even look really pretty like in a bedroom. You can put them in a bathroom because they don't really look like a wreath, right? You know, they're not full of bows and ribbons and stuff like that. All right, so we're done. Let's find our beautiful sign. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Let's put a hanger on first, and then we'll put the sign on. So I'm just going to use zip tie down and up. There's our logo. You can feel the actual divoted holes. Those are your hanging holes, but really you can, if you forget about, you know, where your top and bottom is, you can put your hanger anywhere you want on row 1. Okay, and then my sign, the 2 pipe cleaners are going to go right down this, the 2 center holes here. Now, this sign is available in a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and a 6-inch. So if you wanted to continue with these colors and had a 6-inch, it'll look just as pretty. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love it. Just make sure all our petals. This one is pretty. And you know why it's pretty? Look at the sign. The sign really sticks out. Okay, we're going to cut the ends of this off. Down there. You're going to put your tape your business card, or even you can even write your business name. If you don't have a sticker or a business card or anything, just write your Etsy store or wherever you sell your wreaths. Just write it on the back, so anybody that buys this wreath, they might want a Christmas wreath or a fall wreath and won't know where to find you, especially if you're selling at a craft show. You can just write it on the back. And I'm just going to sign my name with a Sharpie. There we go. Just straighten this out. Now, once you have your sign on, I have it on with automotive tape, which is really, really, it sticks to the metal signs really well. But you can also, once you have it centered, you can also take your glue gun, and if you're worried, you can put some glue underneath your sign around and then just hold it down. That way your sign will be glued to your mesh as well as attached to the board. Isn't that pretty? My very favorite sign. Love it. And there's the back. All right, my friends, that's all I wanted to show you.